So in this particular research with Tjaša, I'm actually not quite sure what I'm going to see. Are you ready?
Well, yes, I'm curious to find out.
Brain is making all of those frequencies all the time, everywhere. When a particular brainwave is really strong compared to the others, it does tell us something about the state of consciousness.
Okay. Wow, because when I enter the channel, I actually align all 7 bodies. So it's like, and the alignment happens, and then the channeling starts.
This is pretty unusual. To me, it was amazing that you were able to do this in a couple of minutes. What I haven't ever seen is somebody be able to do it on demand.
This is amazing. This is mind-blowing.
I'm very satisfied with the results. I think it was super interesting, and again, I always like it when I'm surprised.
Completely different outcome that I have imagined.
But are you satisfied with the outcome?
Yeah, I am, obviously I am. Now it opens so many more questions for me, so I think we will continue in some place or time.
That's what keeps us going, right?
Thank you so
Cool.
much,
Thank
Jeff.
you.